So this is y equals that. Would you prefer we use, so it's possible to use product rule for this question, and we can also use quotient rule. Which one would you prefer?
I think quotient rule.
Okay, so we go with quotient rule. U is 2x minus 1 cubic. U prime is?
Would be 3 times 2x minus 1 squared times 2.
So can we say this is the same as 6 multiplied by 2x minus 1 squared?
Mm-hmm.
And then V is 4 minus x squared. What is V prime?
V prime would be 2 times 4 minus x times 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
Yeah, it's going to be negative.
Which would just make it negative 8 plus x, right?
Yep. Or x minus 8.
X minus 8.
Yeah. And we know that dy dx is going to be given by v u prime minus v prime u divided by v squared, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is going to be v is 4 minus x squared.
Yep.
Multiplied by u prime. U prime is 6. And then 2x minus 1 squared. Then minus v prime is simply x minus 8. And u is 2x minus 1 cubic.
Mm-hmm.
And then everything is divided by 4 minus x powered by 4, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's try to make things simple. We can factor out 2x minus 1 squared, right?
Yes, we can.
2x minus 1 squared can come out. And then we are left with 6 multiplied by 4 minus x squared minus x minus 8 multiplied by 2x minus 1. And everything is over 4 minus x powered by 4.
Wait. Oh, it's cubed. No wonder. Okay. 2x minus 1 over the entirety over 4x minus 4 minus x to the power 4.
So this is
Okay.
6. That's going to be 16 minus 8x plus x squared, right?
Yes.
Minus is going to be 2x squared minus x minus. So minus 1 minus 16 is minus 17x. Then plus 8. I just expanded this part and I expanded this part. And so, oh, it's going to be huge. What is 6 times 16?
6 times 16 is gonna be 90, 96.
96.
Mhm.
Yeah. So this is going to be 96 minus, what is 6 times 8? 48x plus 6x squared, right?
Mhm.
Minus 2x squared plus 17x minus 8. So this is going to be 6 minus 2 is 4x squared. And then what is 17 minus 48?
17 minus 48 is gonna be 31.
17 minus 48 is negative 31. So that is 48x squared minus 31x. And then next we have 96 minus 8.
96 minus 8 would be 88. Minus plus 88.
Plus 88. Okay. And so we can rewrite. We can rewrite and say that our final answer is going to be 2x squared, 2x minus 1 squared multiplied by 4x squared minus 31x plus 88 divided by 4 minus x powered by 4. That's our final answer. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I don't know why I felt like using product rule would have been much easier.
Would it?
Yeah, no, it's a feeling. I think so. Yeah, but
Should we
anyway.
try it out then?
What?
Or should we try it out then?
You want us to try it? Yes. Yes, we can. But it's okay. So we can think of, so let's go to method 2. Method 2. Let's think about the product rule. So u is going to be 2x minus 1 cubic.
Yes.
And then v is going to be 4 minus x to the power of negative 2. And then we can think of our problem. Y, I will think of it as 2x minus 1 powered by 3 multiplied by 4 minus x to the power of negative 2. And so u prime is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So it's actually 6, 2x minus 1 squared. And then v prime is going to be negative 2, negative again. That's going to be 2. And then 4 minus x to the power of negative 3, right? And then our dy dx is simply going to be u, which is 2x minus 1 cubic, multiplied by v prime, which is 2 over 4 minus x cubic. So you can do 2, 4 minus x cubic. So this is u v prime. Next you go to v. This is u v prime. Next we go to u prime v, which is 6, 2x minus 1 squared over 4 minus x cubic. No, 4 minus x squared. So The product rule would give us that answer. And believe you me that these two answers would be the same. Even if their structure doesn't look like the same thing, they will definitely be the same if we simplify.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So that was question number, yeah, that was 7. We can proceed to 8. So 8 is 1 minus 2x. Uh, 1 minus 2x divided by square root of 3x squared plus 2. 3x squared plus 2. We can use the quotient rule for this one, right?
Yes. Yes, we can.
U is 1 minus 2x. U prime is negative 2. V is square root 3x squared plus 2. V prime is half 3x squared plus 2 powered by negative a half and multiplied by 3x, multiplied by 6x, right?
Yes.
Which we can claim that V prime is 6x divided by 2, that's simply 3x. So we can say this is 3x divided by square root 3x squared plus 2. There you go. So we use the product, I mean the quotient rule. So it's going to be V square root 3x squared plus 2 multiplied by U prime, which is negative 2, minus U, which is 1 minus 2x, multiplied by V prime, which is 3x over square root of 3x squared plus 2. And this is going to be our dy dx, which we can simplify, right?
We'd have to also put this over our v, right? For using quotient over v squared.
Oh, we have to put everything over v squared, yeah. And v was that, so v squared would be 3x squared plus 2. (3x squared plus 2). Okay, so can we simplify the numerator? It's going to be negative 2. We can multiply by the square root of 3x squared plus 2. And this is just going to be 3x squared plus 2 minus 3x, 1 minus 2x. Divided by 3x squared plus 2 multiplied by the square root of the same, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we can expand. This is going to be minus 3x. It's going to be minus 3x plus 6x squared. And this is going to be minus 6x squared minus 4.
Yes.
So in the end, we can say that this is going to be negative 3x minus 4 divided by 3x squared plus 2 square root 3x squared plus 2, like that. And this is going to be our final good looking dy dx.
Okay. Nice. I believe
Yeah.
time's up. But thank you very much.
All right. So I'm going to download this document
Yes.
so that I can, I can just send it to you.
Mhm.
1 second. Yeah, you can also take a minute to confirm the lesson, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and do that.
Yes.